Welcome to Matilda visit in Dubai.
No, we are in France. Can you say it again?
Welcome to Matilda visit in Dubai and France. Where you say bonjour.
Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits. Today we are in France, in the Alsace region, and we are starting our day trip today in Kaysersberg. Beautiful old town. I've actually asked my good friend Peter to explain exactly where this place is, what it is and what the story is. On the road again with the Baumgartners. Peter, what can you tell us about where we are today?
This is the lovely little town of Kaysersberg in Alsace, and it is beautiful. The people here really know how to keep their buildings nice, and it draws in a lot of tourists from all the river cruises. About the history, there's not too much history about it though. It is mentioned the first time in like the 13th century, and the Emperor Friedrich II apparently liked the place a lot and wanted to build it up, and it gave it the status of a free city. And until then it was really thriving, and in the war where, I don't know, France got this place again, it got deprived of all their statuses, and then unfortunately it was their sort of way down.
And we walked to the island of the pirates, and then we are. And I made something. Then how about if a huge wave go here and bang, bam!
Please let go. Oh my God, good boy. Good boy. Look at Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What is Captain Hook gonna do?
He's going to bite your head off.
Why would he do that?
Run away. He's going to...
Who lives in this house, Matilda?
Oh yeah! I found the last treasure! He's going to smash that big thing. Daddy, he's going to smash that.
We are on the fortified bridge here in Kaysersberg, the Emperor's Mountain. On this picturesque route, as they call it, but to be honest, everything here is picturesque. Every single building, every single canal and bridge is just so beautiful. Has a bit something of a theme park, but of course it's not. It's real life and it looks spectacular. This is the second destination of our trip through the Alsace region here in France, and we're in Alsace, which is a fantastic place. It is an old medieval town, as you can see, almost completely round because its fortifications were on the outside of the buildings.
Daddy, I can already see a tractor road.
Great, let's go. Peter, as our here local historian, what can you tell us about Alsace?
Unfortunately, I have not done any research on Alsace, so I'm as clever as you on this part.
We'll ask one in 5 minutes and you can Google in the meantime.
We are having a lovely day with the shallows again. We're in Alsace at our second town for today. It's called Kaysersberg. I don't know how to pronounce it. And it's lovely. The day is gorgeous. You wouldn't believe it's October because we're all in no jackets, as you can see, and it's wonderful.
What's in his backpack?
Nothing. It's just a big, huge planet Earth backpack.
Where should we go? Which way?
Get Captain Hook. Where is he? Yes, there.
You have a painting of this town?
Yeah, like one little thing. Yeah,
if we had been here, we would have come. Shall we go up this street and
That's the quality marked in stores. I think that's brilliant. Normally in Matilda visits we talk quite a lot and yeah, show you some nice pictures, but this time not much talking because we're completely overwhelmed. It is just absolutely breathtaking here. We think even nicer than Colmar, to be honest. Really, really beautiful here in Kaysersberg.
Classified as one of the most beautiful villages.
This area is also famous as a wine growing area and all its winemakers. And as you can see here on the map behind, this small tiny town actually is home to 33 vineyards. Despite the fact that we're walking in circles, no, we're not lost. Then this town is built in, circles. It was a defended town with city walls on the outside, and of course, so the streets on the inside. And hence, we're trying to find our way back to where we came from.
one blueberry?
Is it a yummy macaron? Yes.
Well, if I have the car, he takes the train. He goes
Can Papa have some of it?
in your car? Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us here on Matilda Visits. It was great to have you along. We say goodbye from the Alsace region of France. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Guys, we leave you with these fantastic aerial shots of Neuf-Brisach, a town that is completely encircled by fortifications of Vauban, the most famous builder of fortifications in all of France. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and we'll leave you with those great shots from above. Bye!